This tutorial will help you learn how to use the Cal Poly Humboldt Accessible Syllabus template. First, you will need to open the Canvas course you would like to work on. Next, you will create a syllabus by clicking on the Syllabus menu option on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on the Edit button in the top right corner of your screen. On the right, you will see the Design Tools sidebar. Click on the Create/Edit Content option. Choose Copy Existing Content. Under Institution Templates, select Cal Poly Accessible Syllabus. The template will now be copied onto your page. Notice the purple border around blocks of text. The border signifies helpful instructions that are only visible to you. Your students will not see them. There is no need to delete the instructions because they are only visible to you. Make necessary changes to the syllabus. Click Update Syllabus in the lower right-hand corner of your page.